Welcome to Cruising with Christ. My name is Pastor Ken, and we got some good things going on today. We're going to be going over this phone holder I got from Dollar Tree and seeing how good it works. And plus, once I get it installed and if it works pretty good, I'll do a follow-up, maybe in a month or so to just see how it's still doing, because it came from the Dollar Tree. All right, let's check it out. See what we got here. Okay, it's got these 4 prongs so it can go into the vents, but I think I want it over on this side. So see what it looks like. It's going to sit better sideways. There you go. Now, let me see if my phone will fit in it. Oh yeah, and before I do that, looks like you just stretch it open. Okay, so we'll see. Well, it looked like I got it set up, and I'm watching on it now. It grips pretty tight with the phone, and it's doing pretty well. And I mean, even the little grooves in the back of it that's held on with the vent, it really grabs it and is holding it really still. I'm interested to see how long will that stiffness last, or after a while will it loosen up and then just it won't even hold it anymore. But for now, it is working just fine. Actually, I'm gonna drive with it a little bit and see if hitting bumps or anything will make the phone fall. So we'll see. I mean, for $1, you can't beat it. It seems to be doing pretty good. Yeah, because I saw it on the shelf in there, and Dollar Tree has a lot of little things for your car, and I think I'm going to do a video on the things you can get at Dollar Tree for your car, because they do have a lot of things there that you can use for your car that works pretty good. Because I have different cleaners and stuff for my tires, all that stuff, and it works pretty well. I haven't had a problem out of anything that I bought from there for my car. And especially if you are someone who has a nice car, or I mean just your own car, and you just want to buy some things but you don't have a lot of money. I mean, there's ways to get around all that stuff. And of course, you get what you pay for, but at the same time, I mean, if you can't afford it, you can't afford it, but you want to do something. All right. That was it for now. And everything was cool. It was, you hit some bumps in here and there and going over railroad tracks, and it still didn't move. It's still real tight, still in there. Okay, so I gotta go in here and put up a TV, hang a TV on the wall for my mother. And after I do that, then I'm gonna get back in the car, go back home, and we're gonna see how I do on the way back home. All right, see you in a minute. All right, and I'm back, and got my mother squared away, got her TV going. Now it's time to go. It's pretty dark, so I have to turn the light on. Right now it's doing great. And I had to go over some railroad tracks, and they were some pretty bad ones. It didn't even flinch. So, I mean, it's working for the dollar that it is. One thing I like about this car, though, it is a smooth ride, and this is a Charger SE, and it's a V6. You know, it don't have a lot of power, but it is awesome to me. You know, it's just right for me. I mean, when I pick up speed in this car, I mean, it goes. As soon as you put your foot on the gas, it goes. This car it's pretty awesome. So, you know, the ride is smooth. Everything about this car is awesome to me. So I really enjoy driving it. And I don't have a exhaust system on this car yet or anything like that. I'm not in a rush to get one. I do want to get one that gives it a little, you know, rev. When you give it a little rev, it'll have a little noise to it, but it's a quiet car. It's just right for me for now, you know. So I might do something a little later, but right now I'm very happy with the way it is. I got a lot of plans for this car. It's still a lot of things that I want to get for it. There's still a lot of things I'm going to get for it. And it does great. So I'm going to get back with you once we get home and let you know how it did. See you in a minute. All right, guys. It works really good. I made it home and I had no problems with it. I was talking to my wife on it and it didn't move. It didn't do anything. It has these three little, like this little grip thing in the back. It's only one way you can put it on there, but it swivels. So you can turn it upright or you can turn it, or you can keep it sideways. So I'm gonna show you like what I'm talking about. So when you grab it, like it turns. You know, so it can turn. So it's pretty cool. It works good. It does everything that it's supposed to do. And it was only $1. That's it for today. Please like and subscribe to the channel. And as always, keep cruising with Christ.